Hello and welcome to the Indicator Warehouse. This is part 2 of today's video. I decided to step back in today around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and take advantage of the time of the day. So that being said, we're looking at the NQ. And if you saw the earlier video, I was actually up for the morning and feeling pretty good. Thought about stopping, but the chat kept coming in to the GoToWebinar window, and I thought, you know what, why not? I'll go ahead and I'll step back in. So one of my favorite times of the day for a move, if you will, and you can't necessarily set your watch by it, is it's right around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And if we look closely here, looking at our Falcon right here, we had this nice 2-bar pullback, nice green swing line, and here's my signal. I took my entry a tick above my hash mark right here, and as you can see, kaboom, over she went. Now, if you were in the room watching the trade, I actually set the stop initially here with my ATR. Now, what I did for this particular trade was I disabled the TM and I actually backed my stop off about 3 or 4 ticks. I wanted to hide below my ultimate support and resistance line right here. Well, to no avail, and as we all know in this business, not every trade is gonna be a winner. And the other thing that I want to point out about this trade was this is also a counter trend trade. Now, as I've said before, counter trend trades are, in my opinion, not as good a probability of trades as sticking with the trend. But I did have lots of room up here to my hard edge, and really all I was looking for was 10 ticks. Looking at this particular entry right here, it looks like, well, I got about 6 ticks out of it, and then over she went. You know what? This is trading. Losses are going to happen, and well, here was my losing trade for this afternoon. I'm not going to get upset about my losses. I'm not happy about them. I don't love my losers, as you'll hear in the trading community. However, I know that with patience, and I know that with using diversified trading systems and adhering to the rules that I have, I know that there's a pretty good chance I'm more than likely going to get another opportunity to make another trade and then actually take the bad trade, or the frown as I like to put it, and make yet another entry and then turn that frown upside down. So let me show you why my entry is where it is right here. I'm going to bring the eagle over here. All right, I've hidden the trade manager so we can see what's going on. This entry that I took right here, I didn't take this entry here. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but look what's below me. It's my ultimate support and resistance suite, and that's a little too close. What I did was I was watching my eagle, I heard my signal, and the entry that I took was this one right here. I took this entry at 40.72.5, took it right up here, and as you can see, I got a broader first target, and then my second target, I targeted just a few ticks above the low of the day. That being said, this actually worked out to be a really nice trade. Now, maybe you missed that eagle signal. Perhaps your entry may not have been as early as mine, but guess what? The Falcon gives us yet another opportunity right here, and it looks like we're about 2 ticks lower. Either way, we get our first target out of it, and even our goal target on the Falcon of $100, which is where I exited right here. Well, all right, guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. If you want to join the room, email me. It's ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. And the cool thing about the room is it's absolutely free. Well, at least it's free for right now. So again, hit me up, ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Let's get you set up and let's get you in the room. Thanks and have a great day.